This is DJI Mini 5 Pro as well as DJI Remote Controller 2, and in today's video we will have a look at their interfaces, what outputs, inputs they have, what buttons they have, and so on. So just a video overview of those devices, infrastructure pretty much. Now let's begin by having a look at the remote controller. So as you can see, my sticks are already mounted. I took them from their respective compartments at the top rear part of the RC's backplate. Now when it comes to buttons, you have this one, so home or pause, hover or pause. Then you have this switch that allows you to change between 3 flight speed modes. So sign, I think, normal and sport. So slow mode, regular normal mode, or sport, quick, fast mode. Your drone will unlock unimaginable McQueen speeds, I guess. Ciao. Now you also have the power button, of course, the LED indicators that show you the device's status. Most often you'll see them reflecting the device's battery percentage. Those joysticks, of course. Then there you have 2 antennas. You have take photo or record video buttons, as well as 2 dials behind them. Then looking at the remote controller back or rear plate, we have 2 programmable buttons, C1 and C2. The compartment for the joystick sticks, which we have already mentioned at the beginning of the video. Now you have some exhaust compartments, which allow hot air to be blown out of the remote controller and for the cool air to come in. At the bottom you have the SD card slot, micro SD card to be exact, and Type-C data/charging output. I guess the remote controller is done at this point. Now let's have a quick look at the drone. So there you have 4 legs, camera sitting on a gimbal, a bunch of indicators, or those are pretty much additional cameras that allow the drone to position itself better in space and just be more capable of processing space around it. Those are safety features that allow your drone not to fly into a wall or tree, or safety cameras pretty much. Also, we have the power button here alongside the indicator lights, USB-C charging/data port, micro SD card slot, removable battery. Let me quickly unfold the legs first to show you. So you remove the battery just like that. Then well, that's about it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye-bye.